guys, it's your girl Imani here. I'm back for another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys what is on my iPhone X. What kind of phone I got? My iPhone XR. I've seen this video posted a few times on YouTube and it looks really interesting. I also did this video way back in the day. So let's just jump straight into this video. Alright guys, so like I said, I have the iPhone XR and it looks like this. I have this case on it, the moving sprinkle case thingy. Alright, so when you unlock my screen, this is the cover picture. Aww, look at me at AJ. Aww. Hold on, let me do the face recognition. Of course the face recognition doesn't want to work when I'm trying to do this video. Anyway, so the first page is just like, I don't know if y'all can see it very well. It's kind of bright. Let me turn the brightness down. All right. So this is the first screen. I just have my, like the download app, whatever, my calendar. I don't even know what this is. A TV app, my settings, FaceTime. And then I have like the extras in here. My calculator, find my iPhone, my wallet, things like that. Even though I don't have my wallet connected to it. And then I have these utilities here, like the weather, the clock, my notes, the reminder app. And I usually just keep this on the front page. I don't really go to this page like that. I usually go to it like if I need to go to the weather. I don't use a calendar or anything. I like to write things down. So swiping to the second page, and that's where I got like all the apps that I use here. So this first folder up here, let's just click on that, is called my holy folder. That's where I have my Bibles. I have the New Living Translation. I have the King James Version. And then I have like a daily devotional. And then the Giveafly app. The Giveafly app is like how you can send in your tithes and offerings if you don't have like the physical money on you. I usually don't use it at my own church. I use like my tithe envelope. But when I go to another church, if I want to give offering and I don't have cash, which I like never do, I just use the app. So the second folder I have here is like my camera stuff. So just my camera, my photos, and then a few apps that I use. My favorite app is this one, the VSCO. That's how I sometimes will edit my pictures. I have the free version. A lot of YouTubers tend to have, or like like Instagrammers tend to have the paid version, but it's not that serious to me right now to have a paid version to edit my regular pictures, so I don't have that. All right, on this next folder, it's my social folder. I have Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Pinterest. And then these last two apps that I have, one is called Heartbeat and the other one is Influencer. And these two apps is like how I can get campaigns to do like a paid photo to post on Instagram for like different companies and stuff, and they will pay me for doing it. So little extra, little extra spending cash, not bad. And then my next folder, I just have music stuff here, just regular Apple Music and iHeartRadio. And then this app, I think I had in the old video that I have, it is called iPeriod, and I'll open it up for you guys. So pretty much this app just keeps track of your period for you. I don't like use it a lot. Like I use it every month when I do get my period, but I don't like track every single day of my period. So I really just do the first day of my period, you know, just in case like I go to the doctor and they ask like, when was the first day of your last period? Then I just go here and I know. Alright, this next folder is kind of boring. I just have like my finance stuff in here, like Venmo, PayPal, Cash App, Chase, some other stuff. Mint is how I track my spending and budget. Y'all already know what Credit Karma is. And then I have my AdSense here. That is how I get paid through YouTube. So I just kind of keep an eye on it on my phone. My next folder is my YouTube folder. So I have like the regular YouTube app here, And then right here is how I can check like my analytics. It's like the YouTube back page. And then this is TubeBuddy. I'm still learning how to use TubeBuddy, but for the most part, it helps me with like the tags that I use for my videos to see like what's trending and like what tags I could keep using. So it's pretty cool. The next folder I have is like my health folder, which I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I don't use as much anymore. But these apps definitely help when I am in the gym and stuff. So this app is actually connected to a scale that I have in the bathroom. When I weigh myself, it then sends all my stats to my phone. I have the regular Apple Health app in there. My Fitbit, which I don't have my Fitbit on right now because I have to get a new band. A little Sweatcoin app that like gives you points for walking. And then My Chart. My Chart is pretty much an app that allows me to communicate with my doctor easy. You know, I don't have to like constantly call or schedule an appointment. I can just do everything through the app. And she can send like all test results and stuff like that through the app. The next folder, which is over here, is AJ's folder. It's actually named AJ's folder. And it has all his little stuff on here. It has YouTube Kids. It has like a few games for him. ABC Mouse, Elmo, and like just a few like sight word games and things like that for him. I honestly don't even really let him touch my phone because the boy is destructive. And he has his own iPad that he plays all that stuff on anyway. But just in case, like if I have a class or something like that and like I really need him to like be still and quiet, I'll just give this to him. He knows that he's really not allowed to like take my phone. And then I just have navigation on my phone, so just like Google Maps, Waze, and then here I live in New York City, so this transit app, I'm gonna open it up, but I'm gonna like put it somewhere else so y'all don't see my location. Downtown Manhattan. Okay, so this app, let's say I was in downtown Manhattan, it'll show me all the nearby like buses and trains and tell me when they're coming. So yeah, it's pretty cool. I actually use this app all the time. Ain't nobody got time to be waiting for no bus and no train and all that stuff. Like, I need to know where you are right now. And then in this folder is just my work communication. So my job email and how I communicate with my clients and stuff like that. And then I have games on my phone. I really don't play games like that on my phone a lot, but if I'm a little bored or something like that, I keep these games on my phone. Solitaire, Sudoku. I have a few puzzle games, crossword, and just some like little silly games just to pass the time. My next folder here is a travel folder. So I have Lyft, Uber, Via, Delta is usually, if I am flying, is what I use the most, so I have that app. I have the Zipcar app, even though I don't use Zipcar like that. Not even, I'm saying use Zipcar like that. I don't use Zipcar at all. Like, what am I talking about? But one day I will use Zipcar, and then I have the app. So I'm preparing myself from when I do Zipcar. And then I have JetBlue, even though I really am not a fan of JetBlue. I only got the app because when we went to DR, that was the airline that we used. So, and then I have some online shopping here. So I have Amazon here. I have the Wish app, which is an app you can buy stuff for like real cheap. It just takes forever for shipping. I have Shutterfly for when I order pictures and have them sent to me straight from my phone. I have the Target app, Overstock, and Wayfair, like for the household stuff that I have. Fashion, y'all know I'm in love with Fashion Nova now. I have to have the app. Like when I'm bored, I just be scrolling through Fashion Nova. And then I have an entertainment folder. So I have Fandango on here. I have this app, Imdb. I don't know if y'all have ever heard of it, but you can just like look up like celebrities or like movies and see what celebrities were in the movies. See what like movies all celebrities have been in. I'm kind of weird. I'm kind of a weird person like that. Like that stuff kind of like interests me. So I have that app. I have Netflix and Hulu. And then right here I have the Facebook Messenger. And I have a message in there. I don't even feel like opening that. People know I don't really read messages like that. Here I have the Record app when like if I'm recording my screen, which I don't do often. Here I have the Pharmacy app. And that's like if I just need Dwayne Reed or CVS. If I'm picking up like a prescription or trying to get like some deals, cut some coupons coupons, things like that. And then I just have a few like random apps that I never put into a folder that I really don't use like that. So I have down here Retail Me Not, which is like a way to like clip coupons and stuff. PixArt, I believe is an app to like edit your pictures, but I really don't use it like that. The Sweat app I was using for like at-home workout, and then I have Peapod here, which is a food, like a grocery delivery service. And then on this page here are just other apps that I really don't use at all, that's kind of just put in with the phone. So I won't go through those, but these last two that I have here is WhatsApp, which I had to use when I was on vacation in DR because we couldn't use our phones. And then Reddit, I have, just because I follow like a lot of different pages on Reddit, especially like regarding YouTube and like being a small YouTuber, and you know, the articles have been helping me. And then on the bottom is just the normal apps here. So the phone app, email, I got a few emails I gotta check, Safari, and my Messenger. So that's it. That is what is on my iPhone. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me put my phone down because I'm getting distracted. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have done this video, please let me know in the comments so I can check that out. If you haven't, maybe you should. I'm gonna tag you in this so you can do it as well. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that bell, that post notification button, so you can be notified every time I make a new video, okay? Again, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see y'all for the next one. Bye!